Hi, my friend. Do your eyes ever feel puffy, tired, or heavy? Today, I'm going to show you a face yoga routine that you're going to love. And by the end of the session, your eyes are going to look more lifted, your eyes are going to look more awake, and you're going to feel more refreshed. So let's begin. So I'm going to apply a little bit of face oil here to start. We are going to apply underneath the eye area, gently, and then we're going to apply a little bit here on the brow bone as well. So our first exercise, we're going to gently start tapping all around the eye area here. This is going to release the tension in the eye area, and it's going to boost that blood circulation, boosting collagen and elastin production in this area. So the reason we get these puffy eyes and dark circles is due to stagnation. And so by tapping here, we're really boosting that circulation and making sure that we're getting enough blood flow to this area here. Just waking up this entire area. And remember gentle movements here when you're working around the eyes, because the eye is such a delicate area. Wonderful. So the next exercise, we are going to sit straight, look straight ahead, and then we're going to start looking up. So we're going to look up for a few seconds and then look down, and then we're going to go right and left. So it looks like this. Looking up, and now we're going to look down. Look down here for a few seconds. Now look to the right. Now look to the left. Wonderful. Now we're going to do this again. You're going to look up, hold here for a few seconds. And then we're going to look down. Now look to the right. And look to the left without moving your head. Just your eyes are making this movement. And what this does is really going to open up the eye muscle here, open up the eyes, really working those eye muscles to make sure that that blood circulation is flowing. Next, we are going to take our fingers here, place them here right on our brow bone here, and gently lift a little bit. So we're going to start looking down, and then you're going to start blinking gently. So it looks like this. Place your fingers here, look down a little bit, and then start blinking like this. Wonderful. This is going to strengthen here and get rid of that sagging skin here on our eyelids. So place your fingers here again, look down, and then start blinking. Wonderful. And one last time. Wonderful. Now we're going to take our fingers, and ideally you have a little bit of that face oil still on your skin. So we're going to place your two fingers here for support, and then you're going to take your two fingers here and gently glide them all the way out. this, all the way from the inner corner of the eye to the temple. Again, this is going to help with any puffiness. Releasing any of that tension and gently helping with that lift of the eye. Wonderful. We're going to go on the other side. Place your 2 fingers here for support. Place the other 2 fingers here gently and just glide all the way out. Remember being gentle around this eye area here. Really relaxing this muscle, releasing any of that tension around the eyes here. Wonderful. Now to end this routine, we're just simply going to take our fingers and glide them all over here around the eyes, moving all the way up. Really feeling all that tension leaving the eye area here, waking up the entire eye area. Wonderful. Now you can already see here that my eyes is looking a little bit more lifted and less puffy as well. So this is a great little technique and routine that you can do on a daily basis or even a few times a week when your skin and your eyes are feeling a little bit tired and you just need a little bit of that wake me up. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, you might like my other video here, which is really about reducing puffiness in the entire face. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.